Now, next one. This is a new award that we have been establishing in honor of Professor Barry Marshall in life sciences. This is the first award this is given, and we will announce this for the first time. This is in Life Sciences Award. Life Sciences Award, the winner is Richard Guerrant, University of Virginia. Do we have Richard online? I think we have it. He's online. So we have online. This is for infectious diseases. This is a specific field in medicine. I am told that we have him on Zoom, live.
Yes, I'm here, Florian. Thank you.
How are you, Richard?
I'm fine, thanks. Yes.
Oh, nice to see you here again.
Likewise.
How you feel? Did you follow the ceremony?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes. I've been here. We had a great session this afternoon, and we're talking about how nature has taught us so much, and Barry is such a great example of that, just by following what we can learn from Mother Nature. And similarly with the work with Spirit Myriad and with Al Gilman, but also from children in developing areas. And we've worked a lot in Brazil and in South Africa, but we talked about how evolution is changing itself and that human behavior is what's driving that. And then the question about what is it that's most critical to survival of our civilization that you opened the sessions with, talking specifically about the importance of realizing that we're not alone, that we are a part of a human family and not just members of tribes. And that has changed, and we must evolve to appreciate that we are a part of a larger human family and interdependent. And so it's a great honor to be able to join your session, and especially with Barry presenting today, an outstanding talk, and with Farid's tremendous influence on things that we've done over the years. So thank you so much.
Question: did you get it? The award is named under Barry. Is
yes,
Marshall.
I did. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, you've worked all your life with Nobel laureates, with Barry Marshall, with Farid Murad. Now, I know that you are modest. If I ask, when are you going to get the Nobel laureate? I think this is before you're going to get the Nobel laureate.
Oh, this is probably the closest I will get, Florian. No, I've been awarded many more things than I deserve. But the people that do deserve far more are the people with whom we work.
Yes, I told you, he is very modest.
The children that teach us so very much. And that really is why we're here. And it is the secret to our future. If we can bridge our science with our humanity, we have a hope for survival. Without that, I would fear the worst. But that's why we must pay attention to what you said at the beginning of this meeting, that we must bridge our science with our humanity.
Perfect, perfect.
Major theme today.
You are here in an 8x4 screen. Everybody's looking at you. So congratulations again. And please continue to follow us, the award ceremony. And we'll be in touch. We'll deliver the award to you. Or the next time. Have a good night and continue to follow. We have all the...
Thank you. Thank you. I see Professor Marcus there too as well.
So some of his pictures from his life. working in Pakistan. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. With Professor Farid Murat in his lab, with artists, canoeing in Virginia, with children and girl children.